Alright guys, this is the Thursday night Triple Threads break, January 16, 2014. We've got Brandon Parrott with the Seattle Seahawks and the Tennessee Titans, Chris Bexey, the Colts and the Panthers, Chris Miller, the Bears and the Chiefs, Chris Smith, the Ravens, Patriots, Eagles, Jets, Texans and Cardinals, Frank Knight, the Giants and the Vikings, Jason Brooks, the Saints, Rams, Raiders, and the Chargers, Lucas Drake, the Miami Dolphins and Dallas Cowboys, Broncos and Jaguars, Michael Clark with the rest of the teams. It's the Buccaneers, Redskins, Steelers, Bills, Browns, Bengals, 49ers, Falcons, Packers, and the Lions. That is our roster for tonight. Here are the three boxes that we are going to open. Just one pack. One pack. Alright guys, good luck. Alright, starting off, Antonio Brown, CJ Spiller, Reggie Wayne. First relic is a triple relic of Geno Smith, Tavon Austin, and Stedman Bailey. So this will go to the Rams, guys. Whoever owns the majority of the teams, that's who the card goes to. If not, then we randomize. If it's even, we randomize, but since there's two Rams on here, it will go to the Rams. It is numbered 15 out of 27. 15 of 27. All right, next card is a redemption. Rookie auto relic emerald parallel of DeAndre Hopkins for the Texans. We got Darren Sproles, numbered to 170. Alex Smith, numbered to 320. And that's pack number one, guys. Shady got an ad. Does anybody else have an ad? Yeah, not too bad. Okay, I'm going to stop, guys. We have an ad, so we're going to stop right here. A couple of them do. We don't have ads. That's what they told me. Okay, everybody's back? Yeah, no ads. Who else said they had an ad? Frank Knight, are you back? Alright, we're waiting on Frank. Brooks, you're frozen? What the fuck? Alright, Brooks, are you back? That's really fucking handy. This is stupid. Guys, we're just waiting on Brooks. Once he gives us the green light, we'll go. Okay. Alright, guys. Alright, starting off, we have a Lawrence Taylor. Steve Young. Yes, they're not numbered. Patrick Peterson. For the Saints, Kenny Stills, number to 75. Relic. Kenny Stills, number to 75. Fuck. Numbered out of 70 for the Denver Broncos. Monte Ball. It's got a thread. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm not going to mess with it. But it's got a thread right on that blue patch. So whoever that is, just that's how it is. You can trim it up when you get it or whatever. It's a pretty nice couple patches, though. Jason Witten, numbered 1 out of 25. I believe that's one, yep. Number 1 out of 25, Jason Witten. And then out of 320, Marshall Faulk. Too bad this one wasn't the 1 out of 25. Maybe actually bringing a few dollars. Not bad for box 1. Couple decent hits. It's going to be hard not to open up the other 3 boxes. Sorry, Brooksy. It's a nice card. It's a Jason Witten. It's cute. Just saying. Alright, I got Peyton Manning, not numbered. Frank Gore. Cam Newton. Numbered out of 27, Landry Jones. I don't know if it's counting 1, 2, 3 touchdowns. He should try. Or did he have 123 in college? Probably. Whoever's this is, on the star, the clear part of it's peeling up. Right there. Just so you know, that's not for me. I'm going to try to find as many of these things as I can because these cards come like that a lot. So if I didn't recognize it, I'll let you know. Number out of 75. 54 out of 75. Deion Jordan for the Dolphins. Yeah, not so good. Ray Rice, number to 170. Reggie Wayne, number to 320. Hey guys, the deal on this was if it's a rookie serial number, I'll send it automatically. If it's a veteran and it's over 150, I'm not going to send it unless you request it. So if you see one of those cards that you want in there, let me know. But that's what we kind of agreed on in the room a couple nights ago. So. Wes Welker. Chris Johnson. Jared Allen. Christine Michael patch. Number to 75. 21 out of 75. So it's probably the box that you guys told me to switch out. DeMarco Murray for the Cowboys. Oh, that's Joseph Randall. I'm sorry. If it was DeMarco Murray, it'd be worth more. Joseph Randall. My bad, guys. I had DeMarco stuck in my head. Joseph Randall, numbered to 70, 42 out of 70. Numbered out of 99, Troy Polamalu. Numbered out of 320, Tony Homo. That was box number 2. Box number 2 is not nearly as nice. All right, box 3. No, he's including the Witten. I wouldn't normally send the Romo unless he wants it. So it's numbered out of 320. So anything over 150 I wasn't going to send. But if you guys want them, just let me know. I don't have a problem sending them. All right, guys. 3rd and final box. Good luck. Antonio Gates. Carson Palmer. Justin Blackmon. Patch Landry Jones, numbered 50 of 50. Landry Jones, numbered 50 of 50. It's numbered nice. For the Rams, Stedman Bailey, number 11 out of 15. For the Rams, 11 out of 15. There's something there. I'm not going to auto sleeve it like that. But it's, I don't know if it's glue from when they pressed it together, but Stedman Bailey, 12 out of 15. Sorry, but it's still out of 15. I'm obviously half retarded tonight. Out of 99, Roddy White. Right behind him, Matt Ryan, out of 320. Last pack, guys. Good luck. David Wilson. AP. Colin Kaepernick. Number 12 out of 35, Zach Ertz. 36. Jesus Christ. 12 out of 36, Zach Ertz. It's 3-colored right there. Right on the E. Where it fades up. 3-color. And then do you see the paper down on the H? Do you see how the H is already bent over? Right there. The H is bent over. Okay. That's how my Marquise Goodwin came too. I'm not going to fix it because there's no fixing it. It's just going to be bent. That's... Alright, for the Bengals. Numbered out of 99. 4 out of 99. The white Bengal. Tyler Eifert. I don't know, Trey. There's a lot of them like that, man. I got a Marquise Goodwin that was like that too. It's all fucked up. Tyler Eifert, last hit. And then we're finishing up with Roddy White, number to 170. And then Ray Rice, number to 320. All right, I'm going to do a quick recap of the hits, and then I'll go through these real quick too and see which ones I'm going to send out, and then you guys can